Okay guys, so the chrysanthemums are all potted up. Um, and I've already started transitioning them outside because it's been so nice and warm. I gotta pull all this dead stuff off. I mean, it's fine. These leaves, there's another node right there. So as soon as I pull those up, more leaves will come. This necrosis, sometimes that just happens when the plants are shipped. It's not a big deal. Aside from that, I would only be worried if I noticed the rest of the plant doing it. So I'll just pull this off. I think they should be fine. I'll give them some fertilizer in a couple of days, and that should, start helping them put on some more growth. I think I'm just going to start do the bone meal for a little bit. So anyway, once it gets a little bit, actually, I could put them out right now, but I got some other things to pot up, so I'm not going to put them outside right now. So this is 30 of the chrysanthemums. The other set is right here. Actually, this set looks like it's drying out. Okay, so I'll have to give that some water. And like I said, I'll be putting these outside as soon in a little bit and let them start doing their thing outside. So the planting is coming along. And while I'm here, here's some Nicotiana. I think I'm going to start some more of this though. Craspedia, I need to water that. It's getting to that point where I think the root ball's too small. It's drying out very quickly. Oh, and I think something ate it. I'm so pissed. Same thing with my celosia. The tops are missing. And they've just been snapped off. So, I have some more celosia seeds. I'm going to start that. And I need to go get some spray, the repels all. Because actually something was munching on my lupine too. Dang rabbits. Oh, and you know what? The cornflower got decimated by something too. So I gotta start some more of that. And my tomatoes are all up. They're getting ready. As soon as they develop the second leaves, I'm gonna pull them out. Not really sure why they're quite so leggy. I'm trying to figure out if this is legginess or if it's just that these varieties, sometimes I find with vines, they just take off really quickly right away. And so it's like right here, this is where the second set of leaves is coming out. So anyway, once I plant those, I'll plant them a little bit deeper, and let me show you the rest of the vegetables right here. Doing good. And then of course I got some nasturtium vine back there. The castor bean is just beyond that, and that looks like it's doing well too. So anyway, let me go get everything some water. So good morning guys, happy Thursday. So let me show you the state of the garden. Well, first off, I only have 2 sections left to finish leaf mulching. It's the section right here and a little bit of that section right there and that section and just the memorial gardens, which won't take too long. Everything else I've gotten. I'm so mad at myself last night when I was doing the one yellow section. I inadvertently snapped the head off the flowering stalk of one of my bearded irises. So I'm a little ticked off right now with myself because I can't believe I did that. But as you can see, we're down to dirt. So I definitely need to mulch. This year, I think I'm just going to use my big mulch pile in the back. It's not black mulch, but I could probably get some dye and stain it. So as you can see, everything is really, really popping. Like right there, that's a foxglove. I forgot what that is. That's a yarrow. Oh, you know what? Maybe that's that dianthus I had. I think there's a phlox right there. So I am seeing everything. So this right here, I'm using those little C-bite things to see if I can do some sort of structure for supports because I've got peonies in here. So I think what I'm going to just do is I'm going to get some netting and just put over here, and we'll see how this works. I'm thinking I might need to put these in the ground a little bit deeper, maybe. We'll see. I'm also going to experiment with some U-posts this year. Oh, that's right, I haven't done this section yet, guys. So, and since we're here, guys, we're going to start the peony tour early. So I'm going to be doing it slowly since they are opening it. They're going to be opening at different times. This one right here is Paula Fay. I'll show you guys a picture of it fully opened. So these I got from Lowe's, so obviously they're much farther ahead. And that's Jadwiga, and that hasn't opened yet. So we'll be doing this a little bit at a time. Now back to our regularly scheduled programming. Guys, this is the spring break tulip I planted last year. Lots of tulips in here. So I got to get in here and clean this out so you can see the beauty of the tulips. But yeah, definitely need more pink for next year. I think next year I'm also going to add some white daffodils and just do a whole lot more pink tulips, because that's what I really need in here, because I really like pink and white for spring. So anyway, the sections up front have a lot more pink tulips, like right here. I know some of these are Angelique. Oh, this one right here, oh, I forgot which one this is. That's like one that's like a little bunch, a little cluster. I planted that one last year. So pretty. So anyway, guys, it's like morning rush hour on 5:41. So I'll check in with you guys later, guys. So I think this is what I'm just gonna use this whole mulch pile this year, mulch and everything. But let me show you. Ooh, I gotta cut all that back, guys. Oh, look at those tulips. I forgot those were back here. God, this year I'm going to work on this area since I'm going to be back in the backyard anyway, but I just wanted to show you how everything is doing back here. Thing that I really like is that just everything is growing up straight. I personally feel that like everything, especially like things like, for example, that's Gomphrena, I'm sorry. It's just like taking off. It's doing really well, and they seem to grow really slow indoors. So I do see some Barbosa celosia, which is right there. And that's looking good. I'm going to start another batch, but that's looking really good. I'm probably going to try to start getting it in the ground sooner rather than later, because I looked at the month's forecast and it doesn't look like we're going to get any freezing temperatures at night. So yeah, so this is it, guys. Now we come time to start getting everything in the ground, and hopefully I'll be done by Memorial Day. But I've got a couple more things indoors that I need to pot up into bigger pots and bring outside too. So like I said, bringing my stuff out as soon as possible is my favorite way to grow plants. These tomatoes, some of these I'm probably gonna have to put in bigger containers. That should help with the legginess, I think. Or I don't know. You know, seeing how they're outside and they're getting wind, you know, that might be enough to just make them start thickening up. So, because some of these already have second leaves on them, which is pretty impressive, actually. So, and these I definitely need to pot up into something bigger, because actually, let me just pull these out. Yep. Check out that root system. So, yeah. So, lots of work this weekend, guys. Lots of work. Okay, guys. So tonight, it's late, but I'm going to try to get through the Golden Giant Amaranth, the 2 celosias. And I'm going to start on some of the sunflower seeds. So I have a couple different types. I'm going to do 1 pack of the sunflower seeds. I think this year I'm going to try to stagger the sunflowers, especially because I'm starting kind of early. So I'm going to start a set now, and then I'm going to start a set maybe mid-June, especially because with the sunflower seed ones, I think they only have a single head. I don't think they're necessarily multi-branching. So once they bloom and die, that's it. So at least they'll have some staggered blooms. I have like 5 packets, so yeah, we're gonna see how this goes. I can't wait to see how this one is. I have like Pro Cut Plum, and I don't even know. And then, oh, I forgot, I got Cinnamon Sun, I've got Garnet Star, and then I've got some Pro Cut Plum. So, yeah, I think I'm going to do like 25 of each. Actually, these 2 packs don't have a lot, so I'm just going to do all of them. And then I'll do like 25 of the Pro Cut Plum and then 25 of the Sunflower Steve. And I feel like I'm missing a pack of sunflower. I thought I had like a light yellow color. Well, I'll find it later. So, let me get this done.